3 vitamins that give you a healthy glow. Nowadays everyone's raving about glowing skin. Everywhere you go you'd hear about various go-to pills and serums. Your skin is the largest, not to mention the most truthful organ of your body. It tells a lot about your inner health, stress levels, diet, hydration, sleep quality and cellular aging. When you treat yourself well, it reflects in your skin, rewarding you with a glowy, clear and radiant complexion. Meanwhile, if you don't take good care of it, you'll likely have dull skin with prominent fine lines and congestion. This is where vitamins come in. Ever heard of the highly raved vitamin C for skincare? That's one, and we will be covering more on that next, so keep watching. Number 1. Vitamin C. From DIY face masks to beauty products, vitamin C is widely used in treating various skin issues including dark spots, acne, hyperpigmentation and fine lines. Interestingly, it's a natural skin component found in the epidermis, or the topmost layer of the skin. Skin benefits. Vitamin C promotes collagen production in the skin. For skincare newbies, collagen is a protein fiber that makes your skin elastic and firm. As we age, collagen production declines. Another factor that can adversely affect collagen is years of sun exposure. Topical vitamin C products can boost the production of this protein. In the end, you can minimize the appearance of fine lines and lighten blemishes and spots. You can get vitamin C orally on citrus fruits, broccoli, cauliflower, papaya and strawberries. Number 2. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is a potent antioxidant that fights free radicals to make way for healthy new skin cells. This ingredient also regulates sebum production and is commonly used to treat psoriasis, eczema and acne. Skin benefits. One popular form of vitamin A is retinoids. Retinoids are regularly used in both oral medicines and anti-acne topical treatments. They contain anti-inflammatory properties that help ease acne symptoms. Moreover, vitamin A is effective in reducing the signs of aging by disrupting collagen damage. Like vitamin C, vitamin A increases the production of collagen and new blood vessels for a healthy glow. It also prevents sunburn and sun damage. Vitamin A can be found in liver, egg yolks, orange or yellow veggies and fruits, cereals and green veggies. Number 3. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is another antioxidant powerhouse. This free radical fighter is a fat-soluble vitamin that's secreted via your sebum to aid in the production of your skin and keep inflammation at bay. Skin benefits. If you're a sun baby, then loading up on vitamin E-rich foods is a must. Vitamin E reduces sun damage by absorbing the UV rays when applied topically. It also helps in conditioning your skin. What's more, it plays a role in various kinds of cellular restoration from sun damage and in wound healing. It's actually a natural anti-inflammatory, which is why it soothes and calms the skin. Whether used topically or internally, it can prevent oxidative damage to your cells. Vitamin E also has moisturizing effects as well as the ability to strengthen the skin barrier. Do you get your daily dose of any of those vitamins? What are they? Are you taking them or applying them topically? Tell us your experience below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs 348 up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.